Error analysis. Error analysis. Error analysis is the practice of systematically examining a model's wrong predictions to understand why they fail and how to fix them.
A useful way to think about error analysis is like being a detective for your model. Instead of only looking at its overall accuracy, you zoom into specific mistakes, group them into patterns, and ask what common factors cause them. By clustering errors, you turn a vague sense that the model is imperfect into a concrete list of failure modes you can actually address.
Imagine a spam classifier that looks accurate overall, but error analysis reveals that most false negatives are short, image-heavy emails in another language. By inspecting those misclassified examples side by side, you might discover missing language support or weak handling of image-only content, prompting you to add new training data or features. This kind of focused inspection is closely related to the way you'd use cross-validation to understand performance across different data slices.
Error analysis matters because it turns a single metric like accuracy into a deeper understanding of where your model is trustworthy, where it is risky, and what concrete changes will move the needle. In production AI systems, teams rely on structured error analysis to prioritize data collection, feature changes, and model updates.